Hey there, what do you think? Let's get unconventional today. Yeah, TwoSun. You know, I can't get through. They can make these models quicker than I can review them, I swear to God. But I really like this one. I have seen this one on eBay. You know, the guy keeps listing them and listing them. So if you want to find these knives, you can try DHgate or AliExpress, but I'm not sure I've seen this. I mean, there's some of these models that don't show up there, and the manufacturer's throwing them on eBay. So you have an opportunity to buy them for whatever price. It may be a lot and it may be a little. It's just a matter of how many people are bidding against you. So this is the TS202, the TwoSun TS202. And it's a Tonto TwoSun, right? They're making a name for themselves. D2 steel, titanium framelock flipper. I love this stylized diamonds. And diamonds are a knife lover's best friend. Yes, they are. Those kind of diamonds right there. So you got your standoffs, big old hawkers, right? Bam. What the hell is that all about? That's a bunch. Look at the lockup on this thing. 25-30%. Pretty good lockup. Easy one-handed flipper. Oh yeah, got nice bearings on that. Pivot. Sweet, sweet. Look at that Tonto blade. Yeah. Hey, let's figure out how big this thing is. I think around 3.5. And I think I'm about right. 3.5, about 90 millimeters. Right in there, a little bit less maybe. 20.5 centimeters and about, not quite 8.25. So 3.5, 8.25, pretty good EDC size. Easy one-hander, great bearings. I mean, nothing going on this side really. Hey, let's check this out. Hold on. Nah, that's titanium too. Titanium or aluminum, one or the other, because it's not magnetic. Well, that's weird. Oh, well, we got the blade in there. Come on. Really, folks? Yeah, that's titanium. Okay, nothing there now. Yes, brilliant move. Brilliant move. You know, that's magnetic. Can you believe that? Shut up. Okay, so 3.5 Tonto. Oh, let's see what we got here. Oh, yeah, well, you know those Chinese people, they know how to sharpen a knife, don't they? That's not bad. That's pretty good at factory edge. That's for sure. I just think that's sweet. I like this knife. I like it a lot. It's kind of too bad. You know, if this thing was a liner lock, and I know that sounds a little crazy, but if this was a liner lock and it had this on both sides, that presentation, oh, would that be cool? Yeah, that'd be cool. That would be great. But you know the way it is? It's really easy to push that lock bar out of the way. And, well, check it out. Crap, let's get the flashlight out here. Yeah, you can see the over travel stop right through there, right? And yes, an insert. Hardened steel insert. So we got all the guts and glory in this knife, don't we? Oh, check out the flipper tab. Jimping. It's not real tall. They cut the top off of it, right? Easy to flip. Detent. About a 6.5 out of 10. So could this be gravity flipped? Yeah, just like that. So, but those bearings are so nice. They spin so free. Yeah, isn't that sweet? Yeah, good detent. Flies right open when you flick that. You know, people really love these TwoSun knives. what, like 6 months ago, 7, 8 months ago, nobody was talking about this stuff. Now they are falling all over each other on eBay bidding on this stuff. And it's going for ridiculous prices. I mean, in my mind, because I'm used to these things selling for like 38 bucks, 42 bucks. Now, crap, they're like 75, 80. Some of these go over for $100 because they get bid up. And then you go, is this worth 100 bucks? Yeah, maybe. To tell you the truth, I mean, titanium framelock flipper D2, bearings, and it's a beautiful design. Good size, and look at, I mean, you've got a contoured handle and you've got a lot of machining in here. I mean, it's not like it's just a real plain Jane flat handle. This is, but this isn't. This presentation side takes some work. Well, looks like a screwdriver will get you through this one, so that's not bad. And your Torxes, not a problem there. Wow. I haven't found any of these that have Loctite on them. I've taken some apart, and they're easy to do, and that's great because easy to take apart. You don't have to be a rocket scientist to take a knife apart. Perfectly centered, flips like a dream. Pocket clip's nothing to brag about, it's not a milled fancy, and that would be kind of cool. But they work really well as far as going in and out of your pocket. That's kind of important. But you know what? I mean, you could, if you knew how to do that ano stuff, I mean, these interior parts could be like gold, and then you could do a light blue over everything else. Something like that. Even Cerakote or just color coat the hardware. Well, it'd be stunning. It would really be stunning. These things kind of beg for a little bit of pimping. And, at the prices, you could pick these up for around, I don't know, 60. I mean, this one seems to get ridiculous, this one that I've watched, because I've watched them on eBay, thought I'm going to go in and grab one. And it's like, well, yeah, you could grab one, but you're going to have to pay some money, buddy. So these go a little bit pricier. These are around 70 bucks or so by the time the smoke clears on a lot of the ones I've been watching. So, yeah, if you've been able to grab one of these for like 45 or 50 bucks, God bless you is all I got to say. I haven't been able to. The TS 202, nice knife. How much does it weigh, LTK? Well, I'll tell you today. And it's 3.9 ounces. So that's not very heavy. 111 grams. Wow, but it feels like a chunk of change in the hand. Isn't that weird? It's compact, but that's thick. This is not as thick, this scale here, but it's contoured. So it was a chunk of change, and then this over here and this over here came off for that curve. Whew. Nice. Now, along here is pretty smooth. There's no real sharp edges here from milling. This is a little bit sharper, but yeah, not that bad. Not ragged, but yeah, that's a little sharp there. On this side here and this side here. But here, no, this is great. And this is all good too here. Any blade plate? Nope. Lock rock? Nope. And like we said, perfectly centered. Great action on it. Just great action. Fairly light, under 4 ounces. What do you think, guys? Liking this 202. Yeah. What do you think? Man, I like that. I think there was one that was all jeweled up and down here too, like this little machine work here inside these diamonds. There was another one that I saw that I really liked because it was so incredibly pimped out with the machining, and it had that kind of texturing all up and down the scales. Maybe this is enough. But I mean, you're doing all this machine work. You know, I mean, that's a lot of stuff. And then all this inside those diamonds. It's some stuff. I mean, you know, 65, 70 bucks. That's a lot of work. And it's a nice knife. These are good knives. People are just raving about these. They're getting a lot of good press. Hang on, my friends. Well, eBay. I mean, I don't need to give you the link, do I? I mean, eBay. So just go into eBay. In the search, just type in TwoSun, all one word. TWOSUN, all one word. Knife. Click search. You'll come up. You'll be able to find these. And then you can bid. You know, you can watch them, put them on your watch list. Start with a, you know, small bid, whatever, and then watch as they come up to the end, and then, you know, see if you can jump in and catch one. But they're getting awful popular. A lot of people, the secret's out of the box, folks. These are good knives. Great carry knives, very sharp, good quality, and lots of work on them. And pretty affordable. Still pretty affordable. All right. I mean, because you got everything, right? You got the lock bar insert, you got the over travel stop, you got the bearings, you got, just saying, I like it. I like it in hand. It feels good. It's comfortable, you know. And, you know, you got the pass through here. So this is cut away a little bit. So this lock bar is easy to push away. Easy one hand. Great fidget flipper, you know, just for fun and, you know, messing around. But hey, work knife too. Work knife too. Thanks for joining me. The TwoSun. You know, not everybody's doing reviews on this. Why not? Don't know. Good knives. Thanks for joining me. Yes, we do love them knives. Stay sharp.